There's a certain kind of buyer that this home is perfect for. Not someone chasing status, someone chasing stability. 310 Chesterton Avenue sits in Oakwood, a quiet residential pocket of Staten Island. The kind of block where people actually stay. This is not oversized, it's not flashy, it's smart. 2 floors, full basement, a true one-family home in New York City. And that still matters. If you're paying rent every month, you already understand the equation. Your money disappears. Here, it builds something. The layout is efficient, nothing wasted, nothing pretending to be something it's not. For a first-time buyer, this is entry without chaos. For someone upsizing, this is space without stretching too far. For a long-term owner, this is protection. And the basement adds flexibility, storage, workspace, gym, future potential. Oakwood is low-density residential. You're surrounded by other one-family homes, not overdevelopment. That matters more than people realize. This house is not about hype, it's about ownership in New York City at a number that still makes sense. If you've been waiting for something that feels responsible instead of risky, this might be it. 310 Chesterton Avenue, Staten Island, New York. Call Joe Ranola, the Bridge and Boro team.